Meet the Fingerskeeper, the next generation in child safety, the first and only automatic door slam protector. Fingerskeeper is a registered patent. We developed Fingerskeeper in order to prevent countless injuries caused to fingers when doors slam shut. How does Fingerskeeper work, you ask? And why don't most people have door slam protectors in their homes? Let's review some of the current products on the market. The hydraulic door closer. Its main function is to keep doors closed. Nobody wants their doors closed constantly, locking children or pets in their rooms or out on the street. The sponge leaves doors always open, so it doesn't fit the main door, the most heavy and dangerous door in the house. Nobody wants their door always open. Would you like the door to your bathroom, to your bedroom, or even to your home constantly open? Fingerskeeper is automatic, and it's built from materials of the highest quality. After Fingerskeeper installation, it remains on standby, only operating when the door is closed, at a higher speed than what you adjusted it to. Its reaction speed is instantaneous, creating a gap between the door and the frame. Fingerskeeper is easy to install, mark, peel, attach, adjust, test, and done. We present to you the Fingerskeeper, the first and only automatic door slam protector.